Rhodes is driving the pace car. Carl Busch is finally back up here after, what was it, 3 weeks of being outside the top 20? Starting and finishing. Knowing how a season's going, it's going to be outside the top 40. There's only been 40 cars on the field. So, yeah. Pace car makes a sharp left onto pit road. Here we go. First race of the round of 12. Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing, boys! Field charging and down into turn 1. Bell keeps the lead as they shoot down the back stretch. Cars already wrecking. The 16 is in it. Josh Berry is in it. Who's that third car? Is it Corey LaJoy? That'd be funny. Oh yeah, I don't think. Oh, Ty Dillon, goddamn you. Okay, Chase is fine. It's lap 1, y'all. Reckon for fucking 93rd place. GMI, no! GMI! You suck. Harrison Burton, weekly wreck. F4 went doink. Of course Harrison Burton's fucking wrecking. It's lap 1. We didn't make it to the back stretch on lap 1. I would Chase to get the wall a little bit. Shouldn't be anything. He should be fine. Quite literally. Look at the 4 hop up in the air. RIP Jimmy Johnson.